Ano ang mangyayari kung ang isang SSS member ay pa-retire na po at meron siyang unpaid short-term loan? Ayon po kay SSS, all unpaid short-term member loans of member claiming for retirement benefit, whether or not the term of payment has expired as a contingency date, shall be deducted in full from the proceeds of the benefit payments. The date of contingency shall be cut off the date of charging interest and penalty. Ayon po kay SSS, malinaw po na nakasaad dito kapag ang isang miyembro ay merong naiwang unpaid short-term member loans po, ito po ay ikakaltas sa kanyang makukuhang retirement benefits ng buo. Titigil lang po ang pag-charge ni SSS ng interest at penalty sa kanyang date of contingency o sa mismong date of retirement po niya.